Hello everyone, welcome to part 7. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is right click on the block sprite and press duplicate. I'm going to call this enemies, and inside of the code we don't have to change anything, just go to the costumes, and this is the thing we want to change. Go to choose a costume and press upload, and I'm going to click and upload the first two enemies, enemy 1 and enemy 2. There's enemy 1 is just this regular sprite, and enemy 2 is this neon stalactites or stalagmites. So I'm just going to select the first one, press group, select the second one and press group, and then copy it with Ctrl+C and paste it with Ctrl+V. And I'm just gonna place these around the level and to make sure the player will be able to get over them. Okay, I've finished decorating my 4 levels with enemies. So now what I'm going to do is click on the first costume, and basically I'm in the enemy sprite. Make sure you're in enemy sprite. Don't make sure you're in enemy sprite only. And you're just gonna select all the ground sprites, all the grounds, and delete it. And do the same in all the costumes. So basically everything in the enemy sprite, if you touch it, you're going to die. So make sure you don't have any ground sprites, any ground blocks in here, plus you're gonna die. I'm also gonna delete these 2 enemy spikes costumes right here. So let's press the play, and you can see now we have spikes, but if we touch them, nothing happens. Let's go to our player sprite, and this is the easiest code you will ever see. If touching enemies, set state to dead, which you will be if you don't subscribe, and then stop this script. I'm just gonna put this at the bottom of this if else block, and then let's press play. Now let's touch a spike and we die. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. Watch out for part 8 and make sure to subscribe so you'll be notified when that comes out. I'll see you then.